Breaking news. FISAYO ABEBI relationship matters. Before continue this surprising news of FISAYO ABEBI, if you are coming across our video for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel for more news. FISAYO ABEBI, born in 2010, has become a remarkable figure in Nollywood, captivating audiences and critics alike with her exceptional talent. Professionally known as Fishayomi Amademaja, she made her debut as a movie producer and actress at just 11 years old with the critically acclaimed film ABEBI. The movie, which explores the theme of domestic violence, earned praise for its powerful storytelling and social relevance. Fishayomi's acting journey began in her hometown of Ogun State, where she developed a passion for the craft through school and church drama activities. Discovered by veteran actor Tunde Ola Yusuf, she quickly transitioned from school plays to the big screen. Her dedication and raw talent earned her mentorship and support, helping her flourish in the competitive industry. Since her breakout role in ABEBI, Fishayomi has featured in numerous films, including Air Oran, Strangers, and Apara, solidifying her reputation as one of the youngest and most promising talents in Nollywood. She has worked alongside some of Nigeria's top actors, showcasing versatility and emotional depth in her performances. Despite her rising fame, Fishayomi maintains a strong focus on her education. She balances her academics and acting career with grace, participating actively in school and church-related activities. Her commitment to self-improvement extends to her decision to avoid romantic relationships, prioritizing personal growth and career development at this stage of her life. As she continues to expand her portfolio and take on more challenging roles, Fishayomi ABEBI stands as an inspiration to young aspiring actors in Nigeria and beyond. Her story highlights the importance of passion, perseverance, and support in achieving success in the entertainment industry.